Hi, in front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth and Devices right away. Then click on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature at the top and tap on Bluetooth next to the switcher. Now just click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to your device and choose Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!